So what's happening YouTube? So basically we have this go on a mission. I made a video of this last week, okay? And some of you are asking, you know, how do you play this thing, right? Like what's going on? So I have an answer thanks to a terribly dank person 3815, and he works at the superstore, I guess. And he said page 5. So we're gonna go to page 5, show you guys, kind of read it to you guys how it works, and hopefully we can figure it out, right? So this is the again, it's the Marvel. If you want to see me unravel of a few cards, okay, and again, if you are in Edmonton, please go ahead and see that video as well, so that you can see all the cards, my duplicates, so we can trade. Anyways, if you go to the first page, again, this is what it looks like. It'll tell you 85 years of Marvel, the Loblaws universe, and then it says here that get ready to carry out your missions with Marvel superheroes, collect 90 cards, go on missions with Marvel superheroes, and use superpowers indicated on the cards, solve challenges in this album. See that? Be as fast as Black Panther and all that stuff. Be supportive spirit like Groot. You can also challenge your friends and dive into the world of superheroes together. Are you ready for adventure? So use your superpowers. So if you have, you know, it says it's time for action, you'll be able to use your superpowers to participate in the missions of your favorite Marvel superheroes. Each mission the superhero required to complete is indicated. It is indicated. So courage, show bravery, intelligence, use logic, critical, reflective thinking skills. Seems like that's a good one. And as power, be as strong as a Marvel superhero. Start using your superpowers now. Set off on a mission with the Marvel superheroes and put your newly acquired superheroes into practice. So here we go. Super special cards. So 23 value plus cards. Find out the favorite Marvel superheroes and their emblems on the 23 value plus cards. Use these cards in the power card game, okay, which is right here. 6 cards with superhero super special effects. How to recognize them. Each of them is identified with a symbol in this album, okay. Holographic cards. Okay, let's see. From my duplicates, let's see if I can get one of those holographic cards. Thanks to the special light effects, your superheroes will take on another dimension. Oh, okay, cool. So let's go find that right here. I don't even think I have one, right? Super. Am I supposed to? What's going on here? Do we have one? Did we get one at all? At all? Nothing? Oh, I see one. I see one. We're not gonna go there. We're just gonna flip through this and see. Oh, Falcon. Look at that. It's like the reflective thing, I guess, on the back. It's really cool looking. So just put that on the side for now. That's kind of like what they're trying to say. Okay, let's see if we get another one here. And that's it. We don't have any more. We'll just put that right there, and we'll focus on this guy. It says here, a 6 card with super special effects. Okay, there's one of them. Okay, Falcon, and that's actually a duplicate from our album. So we're gonna look at ours here and see if we can find something like this again. I think this Miss Marvel one, the Kamala Khan, is one, I guess. None on this page. None here. No. Oh, something stuck there. Okay. Okay, again, the Falcon one right there. That's pretty cool. That's like one of the rares, I guess. And then Baby Groot right there. Kind of shiny, right? Different from the other guys. So we have 3 so far, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. None here. And Shuri, we have 4. I believe that's it. So 4 total. Pretty cool. Okay, so now we get to the card game. Okay, now that we established we have that, pretty cool cards. Let's see the power card game rules right here. My camera's kind of reflective here because the lighting above me, so I'm gonna try to read this to you guys and hopefully you can understand it. It says that the game rules here is that the game can be played with a minimum of 2 players with a suggested minimum of 9 cards per player. Okay, 9 cards. Okay, the minimum, it's a minimum though, right? So let's just say we're playing with everything here. To start the game, put it right there. To start the game, shuffle and deal all the cards face down. Each player is dealt 3 cards. Okay, so let's go put it. Okay, we'll shuffle this. Just 1 second. Okay, this page is keeps flipping on me. There we go. Okay, so we shuffle the cards. All right. Whatever, it's just a practice, okay? It's okay. Not very good at it, but whatever. Deal all the cards face down, okay? Each player is dealt with 3 cards, okay? So let's say 1, 2, and 3 for the that guy. We're not gonna play with. Oh, maybe we'll just put it inside here somewhere. Okay. And then I'm dealt with 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. So, oops. So this is my cards. This is the opponent's card. Okay, you see that? Let's put that there. Let's put it on this side, like so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. If you receive a value plus card, what's a value plus card? Oh, maybe this one. Okay. Keep drawing cards until you have 3 heroes at hand. Oh, okay. So we'll have to keep drawing. Okay, another plus value. There's 1. Another value. There's a guy there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hero cards. Okay. So we'll keep going with this guy. Okay, there. And there. Okay, Falcon. Alright. That's what we get. We have Shuri, Captain America, and Iron Man on this side. And this is Infinity Gauntlet, Scarlet Witch, and Falcon. And keep the value plus cards as extras, it says here. The youngest player begins by stating one of the values on their chosen card. For example, courage. Okay, so let's say courage right here. We have courage here anyway, so let's just use courage. Let's just say that this person is a younger person based on how many cards they got, I guess. Okay, so courage right there. Other player then select a hero card from their hand. Each player places their card on the table face down. Oh, whoops. We're supposed to keep it down, I guess. Oh, I guess it's just to reveal it. Okay, never mind, sorry. Then everyone reveals their cards. I'm telling you, ready? 3, 2, 1. If a player possesses a value plus card with a linked value, they can place it on their superhero card. Oh, okay. So, let's see here. I got a bunch of like Black Panther here, so that's not really gonna work. So, does that work with like that? Is that Shuri and I don't know. Is that a link? How do you know if it's a link? Anyways, I'm not sure. So it says everyone then reveals their card simultaneously. Ready 3 to 1. If a player possesses a value card with the linked value, they can place it on their superhero card, and the values will then add together for this turn. Okay, I don't have one, but that's okay. Whatever. Oh, I guess this one is together. We can do that. Okay. The player with the best or highest value wins. Oh. Well. So this one has a highest. But the Infinity Gauntlet actually has more intelligence and power, just not courage. The winner places all the cards from the round, including their own, into a new pile beside them. If 2 or more cards share the same highest value, all the cards are placed in the middle. And the same player starts over at step 2, which is the youngest player begins by stating one of the values on their chosen card. Stating. Like courage. Okay. The winner takes all cards from previous round. Okay, cool. After each turn, each player refills their hand to 3 cards. All used value plus cards are removed from the game. The winner of the previous round starts at step 2. So, I mean, it's fairly simple, I guess, if you know which ones are linked together. I'm like horrible at this. You know, I'm not like that good at, I don't really play like trading card games. So yeah, take it as that. I read the power card game rules there. So hopefully that helps everyone that was very interested on playing this. Well, thanks anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions, put it down below, and hopefully we can answer them again and make another video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.